In today's video, I'll show you how to save your Canva design as a JPEG file in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. First, open the design you want to download. Once you are inside, look at the top right corner and click the Share button. From the drop-down, select Download. A settings panel will appear. This is where you choose the file type. By default, Canva usually selects PNG, but for today, we'll switch it to JPEG. Simply click on the File Type menu and choose JPEG. You'll also notice options like adjusting the image size or compressing the file. Perfect if you want a smaller file size for faster upload. After adjusting those settings, click Download, and Canva will process your design. Within a few seconds, your JPEG file will be saved directly to your device, ready to share or upload wherever you need. And that's it. Super quick and simple. Now you know how to save any Canva design as a JPEG. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2025 Canva tips and tricks.